There's no denying the housing market is undergoing a shift this season, but that shift can actually give you more unique benefits when you sell. Here's a look at the key opportunities you have if you list your house this fall. Number 1, more options for your move. One of the biggest stories today is the growing supply of homes for sale. Housing supply has been growing ever since the start of the year. If you're selling your house to make a move, this is great news for you. It means you have more options for your own home search. That gives you an even better chance to find a home that checks all of your boxes. Number 2, the number of homes in the market is still low. Just remember, while the latest data shows the number of homes for sale has increased, housing supply is still firmly in a seller's market territory. To be in a balanced market, there would normally be 6 months supply of homes. While you'll have more options for your own home search, inventory is still low, and that means your home still will be in demand if you price it right. If you're finding value in this video, make sure you like the video, and while you're down there, let us know, have you considered selling your home this year? Number 3, home prices are appreciating. Since inventory is still low overall, experts say that nationally, home price appreciation will continue, just at a more moderate pace. Whether you're selling so you can move into the home of your dreams, or looking to downsize into something that better suits your current needs, you can find peace of mind in knowing any further home price appreciation will help grow the value of your next investment once you move. Number 4, your equity is growing by record amounts. Due to the rapid home price appreciation the market has seen over the past few years, your home's value has likely grown substantially. That gives your equity and your net worth a considerable boost. Homeowners trying to decide if now is the time to list their home for sale are still in a good position, as a decade of rising home prices gives them substantial equity cushion. If you've been holding off on selling because you're worried about how rising prices will impact your next home search, rest assured your equity can help. It may be just what you need to cover a large portion, if not all, of the down payment on your next home. Reason number 5 is the current state of the housing market. To learn more about that, click on the video on the screen now to prepare yourself for what's to come. You're doing a great job, Flash.